Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Welcome to episode 44. We are currently continuing our look around San Francisco. Today we're riding the second half of the California Street Cable Car line, climbing Nob Hill while reflecting on the remarkable history of San Francisco's cable cars. Cable cars are not only a symbol of the city, they're also a marvel of 19th century engineering that continues to operate today. The system was invented here in San Francisco in the early 1870s by Andrew Halliday, who saw how dangerous it was for horses to pull up heavy loads up the city's steep hills. His solution was revolutionary: a steam-powered cable running continuously beneath the street, pulling cars safely up and down the hills. The very first line opened in 1873, just a few blocks from where we're riding now. As the cable car climbs, you'll hear the constant rumble of the underground cable and the clang of the bell. The gripman's skill is what makes the ride possible. Using a large lever to grab onto the cable below, then releasing it smoothly to stop or coast. It's a job that requires strength, precision, and practice, just as it did more than a century ago. At their peak in the late 1800s, cable cars covered most of San Francisco, but when electric steam cars and buses arrived, many of the lines were abandoned. By the mid-20th century, only a handful remained, and even those faced closure. What saved them was the determination of San Franciscans, who fought to preserve the cars as a working piece of the city's history. Their efforts succeeded, and in 1864 the cable cars were declared a National Historic Landmark. Today just 3 lines survive, including this one. The California Street Line is known for its straight dramatic climb through the city's financial and historic districts, linking the waterfront to the crest of Nob Hill. As we ascend, we pass grand hotels, churches, and offices. Reminders that this hill was once the seat of the city's wealthiest families during the Gold Rush era. The ride itself is more than just transportation, it's a living piece of history. These cars, still hand-built and operated much as they were in the 19th century, connect us directly to the generations who rode them before us. And so, as the cable car reaches the upper blocks of California Street, it's worth pausing to appreciate not just the views, but the incredible story of how these historic vehicles continue to climb San Francisco's hills every day.
Thank you, sir. All right. Like not just like, oh, this is the KFC salon.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.